What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Senegal. I'm from Senegal.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm a student.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
Do you have children? Do you have children?
Yes, two. Yes, two.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Dakar. I live in Dakar.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Blue. Blue.
What language do you speak? What language do you speak?
I speak French and English. I speak French and English.
What's your nationality? What's your nationality?
I'm Senegalese. I'm Senegalese.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Do you live alone? Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. No, I live with my family.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 77 123 0001. It's 77 123 0001.
What do you like doing? What do you like doing?
I like reading. I like reading.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Music and football. Music and football.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat. Yes, a cat.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Rice and chicken. Rice and chicken.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
At 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work in a school. I work in a school.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What do you do at the weekend? What do you do at the weekend?
I relax. I relax.
Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling?
Yes, a lot. Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Titanic. Titanic.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, I need rest. Yes, I need rest.
What do you want to be? What do you want to be?
A doctor. A doctor.
Do you like learning English? Do you like learning English?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What's your birthday? What's your birthday?
The 10th of June. The 10th of June.
What's your favorite day of the week? What's your favorite day of the week?
Saturday. Saturday.